Cancer sucks. Today, let's talk about something that's actually very, very important to your physical self during the treatment process. We've talked about hair loss, and as most people will talk about hair loss during chemotherapy, there are other things that you really do need to be concerned about whenever you are going through the stages of chemotherapy and post chemotherapy. Um, what most people really don't talk about is the fact that their skin gets very dry. I mean, super dry. I mean, flaky dry. So if you normally have dry skin like I do, um, your skin will probably most likely get even drier, if that's possibly even a word. Um, so you really want to make sure you have a fantastic skincare regimen, whether it be for body care or whether it be for skin care. Um, I I would wash my face twice a day. I was a huge fan of the Olay products because my grandmother used the pink oil of Olay since the time I was like 5. I would go over there and she would put some on the back of my hand and say, okay, now put some on your face. And so it was just something that I had always used. So I have always used an Olay facial cleanser, and I have always used the Olay pink bottle, grandma approved. So those have been obviously very helpful. I also use a vitamin C under eye patch that kind of takes any swelling down, because you will see a little bit of swelling underneath your eyes. You may feel a little bit of swelling in your face. Not necessarily a huge amount, but those eye patches, I would keep them in my refrigerator. They'd be nice and cold. And then I would just put those on in the morning and just lay there for like 20 minutes. And it was just very refreshing and a great way to start the day. In terms of body care, you really don't want to use anything like real crazy, overly scented. Remember, your body is going through this process with you. And there's enough chemicals that are going inside your body that you really don't want to have an exorbitant amount of chemical products on your body. So there are fantastic body washes out there that don't have any sulfates, just have a light fragrance. The Salt Air brand, SAL